and welcome back. Just preparing for Kim Bolton this weekend, putting some new bumper bolts in. This is the bolt, it's hold on with a rubber bush and I'm going to put it in here. On a Tonykart you have a special nut that tightens and expands the rubber bush. I have a special tool that helps tighten it up. And if I'm really lucky, the bolt won't twist round, so I don't have to put two nuts on the end. This one's done now, but I have to put two locking nuts to help tighten this up because it's not going in properly. Once they're in, now time for the bumper. Now washers for each one. One M10 nut on each one. Finish it off an M10 nylock. Now just a few cable ties to add, guys. Have a good weekend. I'll see you guys later. Bye!